Hello my unique queens, Quiana Unique here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a quick video on how to install a zipper, and we're going to use the technique that I know how to do. And so right here I have a cheap plastic zipper that I purchased from my local Walmart. I believe it was only $3. It's a 7-inch zipper, and I'm going to show you how to place it in. So I already have a pair of shorts here that I've sewn, and the video that I link at the end of this video will have the full version of how to make these shorts. But all you have to do is sew all sides of the shorts, and then right where the seam is where you want to place the zipper, you want to iron that seam open. And as you can see here, I have both pieces of fabric open, and I'm simply going to lay the zipper on the inside of that, and I'm going to line the zipper seam up with the seam where the two fabrics are sewn together. By the way, this fabric is inside out because of course you want your zipper to be on the inside of your clothing. So you're simply going to line that up right where those stitch lines are, and here I have it all attached down. And now all you're going to do is take it to your sewing machine. Now here I have my sewing machine with the zipper foot attached. Now there's two types of zipper foots, and as you can see, mine is one of the ones where you can get really close to the zipper without actually hitting the zipper itself, and that's what you want to put on the zipper foot for that reason. So I'm simply going to do a straight stitch starting right below where the zipper head is. The zipper is zipped all the way up and the zipper head is at the top. I did a couple of stitches forward and then I back stitched a couple bit, and we're just simply going to sew all the way around this zipper. Now I'm showing you once you get close to the bottom, I got a little snag here, so I'm going to fix that really quick. Okay, I think I've gotten that taken care of. Once you get close to the bottom here, you're simply going to go as close as you can to the bottom, and then I'm going to manually turn to where my needle goes down into my fabric like so, and then I'm going to turn my fabric, place the zipper foot back down and sew along, and then I'm going to do the same thing again. Turn it once more, making sure that there's no other fabric underneath that. It's very important. You do not want to sew whatever piece of garment you got. You don't want to sew it together because then that'll just be awful. And then what you'll do is just go and sew right back up the other side. Very simple. We're doing just a simple straight stitch. And just a note, when you're sewing the area for where you want the zipper to go in, if you do a wider stitch, it will be easy for this next step that we have. Now as you can see, the zipper is sewn onto the fabric, and I'm going to flip it to where the right side is out, and I am going to use a seam ripper to rip open to rip open the seams that we sewn together. And once you take that seam ripper and rip open the seams, you will then see your zipper. Now this is the part where I was telling you, if you do a wider stitch in this, it will be much easier to rip those seams apart. I did not, because at first I was not going to put a zipper in this fabric, but then I changed my mind and did so mine was a tighter stitch. But as you can see, now it is open and the zipper is usable. Now the only other step that you would have to do is continue on with your regular sewing. Of course, you're going to want to hide the top ends of your zipper. And this is just a better view of the zipper here, how it is fully functional and it is neatly placed within your garment. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and like and comment on this video. As always, you guys, be unique. See you next week.